All right, the next one we're going to take a look at is Maps Made Easy. They're a flight control app. So to dive in, we're just going to set a new mission. Pretty simple. It's going to dive in. It has an important message. You can look through the message. Great. Yep, automated missions. You definitely got to pay closer attention to them because you're no longer in control. You're letting the computer do it, so you got to keep it. I like that message. In this case, we're just going to move through it. If I wanted to plan a mission, I would just click on Normal Mission, and then just start clicking on points. In this case, click and hold. Seems to be popular with these apps. It won't let me click a fourth one. That's very interesting, but I can take this point here and I can pull it out. Set the altitude, I can set the speed, I can set the overlap. In this case, I can make it 75, 75. It will set the speed. Notice it does change things for me depending on the overlap. So I can't set the speed. I can set the altitude. In this case, I want it to be 200 feet. It would be better if I can just type this in for precision. That would be better. I can rotate the mission. In this case, I'm just going to leave it at 0. So I do have SRTM terrain. So I don't know if that means that it's going to do terrain following, but I can set an offset. That's just to offset the survey target level up to half of the altitude. So that's actually not what I want to do, but I can see I can see that there's a profile. It doesn't bring anything up, but I can select that. So if I wanted to fly this mission, I would actually fly this mission within DJI Go 4 connected to the drone, and it'll pull up a separate window within DJI Go 4. So it's a little disjointed of a user experience within Maps Made Easy. That you could still fly the mission, plan the mission within here. I don't like the controls. There is no Lance, there's no weather, there's very little situational awareness besides basic mission planning and drone capture planning. So this probably wouldn't be my first choice, but it does look like it has the ability to do a few things to let us capture a mission successfully. All right, let's see who's next.